I would like to introduce to you our home delivery service, which is called the Cliff in a Box. If you ever wanted to cook restaurant quality food in your own home, then we have just made it extremely easy for you. We will source and prepare quality ingredients and then provide easy step-by-step instructions to put success on a plate. We have made it so easy that even if you struggle with boiling an egg, we'll help to make you a star. Now let's head to the kitchen. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Okay. So, Island Dorado, chopped seasonings, organic cherry tomatoes, coriander, fennel shavings, lemon, and olive oil again. So first of all, I'm going to make a warm vinaigrette with the cherry tomatoes. So pan, olive oil, so the seasonings I have in here is red onions, shadow beanie, garlic, spring onion, and Scotch bonnet peppers. So, just in the pan, just sweating it lightly. We added no colour. So just gently. Smells fantastic. So that's sweating down. We're going to cook the Dorado. So the Dorado I've vacuum packed with some local seasonings. So again we have Scotch bonnet, olive oil, garlic, shadow beanie again, so this I'm going to cook in some olive oil as well. As you can see, that's sweating nicely. As I say, you don't have any colour on that vegetable. So when the oil's nice and hot, Dorado. Okay, so you can see that's great. That smells fantastic. So to that we're going to add the cherry tomato. As you can see. We just cook this very slowly now. So we want a lot of the tomatoes to drop their water. So that'll be the tomato vinaigrette. So just let that simmer away. So got the fish cooking. So I'm going to make a salad with the fennel, the fennel shavings. So that's beautiful. So here, salt, black pepper, citrus, keeping it really fresh, a little bit of olive oil, I have some coriander, so we're going to just chop this nicely in the fennel. As you can see, a really fresh dish, nice and fresh. Perfect for summer's day. Let's just mix that. And again, as always, taste as you're cooking. Make sure it gets all the olive oil around it. So again, let's have a little taste. Great. Do you want to taste the lemon a little bit as well? You see that starts to the tomatoes start to break down now. And this you can always make in advance. Have it in the fridge and just heat it up. It's in the fish. Olive oil. So the fish, little salt, little pepper. A little more colour. So again, just check the seasoning. Bit more salt. Okay, let's dress it. So, just want the tomatoes to start getting soft. Get all this beautiful juice, olive oil. So I like to call it tomato vinaigrette. There's quite a lot of oil in it. Fish. Nice. Great colour. Mix that with some lemon. Got a nice colour. Beautiful. We'll take the final salad. Okay, that's it. Island Dorado with cherry tomato vinaigrette with fennel shavings.